In this video, let's go over how to set up a retargeting ad that follows people around Facebook.
This video is brought to you by Pies Academy.
You click on this business manager, then you go to all tools, then you go to custom conversions, then you go to data sources, then you click details, and when you're in details, you pull down this create audience and you go custom audience, and you're going to use this account, and next. And you see this is really easy because it's essentially you're adding people to your audience who include people who meet any of the following criteria, and the criteria is that all website visitors in the past 30 days. So everybody who's come to my site in the past 30 days, or I can say 100 days, doesn't matter, they're going to get an ad now on Facebook that says, hey, come back to our site, we have a deal. And that's good traffic. This is retargeting because those people have already been on your website. They already know about you. Maybe they were close to buying, and bringing them back maybe will make them buy, maybe will make them sign up for your email list, maybe take further action. If they're not interested in your business, they probably won't click the ad because they know what the business is already, they left. But if they have any interest and maybe they forgot or maybe they meant to re-engage, this will be the way to do so. So basically, you create a name, and I just create, I typed X for speed's sake for this presentation, and then you create an audience. And once you've created this audience, you can basically retarget them continuously with a separate ad set that you already know how to set up.